Hi, this is Kevin with KGM Jam, owner of Pro Advertisers Club, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free. Okay, let's get the daily rewards done. The Earth Quest it was today. Again, another tough day of battling. Beginning of the season, the first third at least, maybe even half sometimes is pretty rough for me as far as trying to get up in the silver. Um, there's a lot of theories on why that is. A lot of people blame the bots and got a card, and that's a good card. So for being a bronze, that's a good reward today. But as silver one, which was my height of last season, I got 4 chests, and the rewards are a lot better. So let's go open up the pack for the day, the daily pack. And remember, I did 10 packs with potions, and now I'm going to do 10 packs without potions. And so far, the without potions has done better than the last 10 with potions. And remember, potions is 1 potion per card, and there's 5 cards, so that'd be 10 potions, 1 for legendary, 1 for gold. And the reason I decided not to use potions is because I needed to squeeze out some extra money for because the cards are so cheap right now out of the $10. So by the potions got axed, and that way I got that extra. Uh, so anyway, 5 cards, you're guaranteed a rare or better. There it is. Now you can still get gold and legendary without potions. All they do is increase the chance. They're supposedly supposed to double it. So these are commons, and that's a rare or better. You're guaranteed a rare or better. Now these could still be gold. That's a pretty good. These are all good cards that I use. So let's do the rare, and that's a summoner. So 10 packs with potions, no gold, no legendary, no summoners. And uh, now without packs, I've gotten 2 summoners in a row, although common foil, not gold or anything. And these are all good battle cards. So decent pack today. So I'd say so far the without potions is winning. Now, I did get the best card I've ever gotten, the Ifriti Rising Gold Legendary. I got that without any potions. But with potions, I did get a gold legendary. Um, or no, it wasn't a gold legendary. It was a regular legendary, and I can't remember the name. And I sold it. And other than that, it's pretty much not been so good with the potions. So we'll find out. I got 8 more to do without potions, and we'll see. Um, Let's go look at the numbers real quick. I'm going to try to keep this a short video. Yesterday was the AMA. I've got a little summary that they made up, and also you can go watch the video on YouTube if you want to. Splinterlands at 10,000, not sponsored by Splinterlands. This is something I'm doing on my own, and I've been doing it since the beginning of the year. So here's the rules. You can pause it and read it. I'm on day 108. I've opened up 127 packs. Or bought. I put the total, even though I just opened 127 today. Every other day I add $10, and out of that $10 I buy 2 packs, and with the leftover I was buying potions and cards. And so I got rid of the potions for the next couple weeks, and because the cards are just so cheap, I needed extra money. I was even thinking of getting rid of the packs for a couple weeks too, which I might still do if the cards go any lower. Uh, then I might, because it's just such a good deal to pass up on. But anyway, I've invested out of my own monies $654. All right. I started making the videos about a month into it. February 7th. Here's my totals, the value of the assets, the number of cards, my PowerPoints, free SPS, and then my total profit. And ever since I joined, then the market went down like everything else. Crypto was down. But here's the amazing thing. As far down as it's gone, I'm a $720 asset value as of today, this morning. I got 125 cards, 1549 in the box. That means I've burnt those cards to make 125. My power ranking 86,623 is just going up and up and up. That's good. That's what tells you you're doing something right. I got $89 in free SPS. So even as bad as things are, if I sold everything and paid myself back the 600, 700 bucks, I would walk away with $161 profit. And if that's before taxes, of course. But so you're like, well, that's not, you're not going anywhere near $10,000. Well, I got a whole year to do it. And I'm accumulating cards at rocket bottom prices right now. So let's take a really good look at it in June, July, with everything that they got going on kicking in. And that's going to segue here into the AMA report. And then that's all I'm going to do today. The town hall, they do it every Monday now. The time changes a lot, but they try to do it in the mornings, early afternoons. Um, Here's the people who showed up, the main topics. This SPS validators and ranked rewards are the big thing right now. And I don't understand what the validators are for. You have to go to other YouTubers who can explain it better to you. But it's some big boy stuff. You're gonna put in some money to do it. But it's you're gonna have to use vouchers and SPS to buy it. And I've already got 2 vouchers, but the price of vouchers is going to go way up because they don't have enough vouchers to cover everything that they're going to be selling. So here's the video. Just go to Splinter Talk IO and type in the date, April 18th, 22. Will bring you here, or go to YouTube and just type in Splinterlands Town Hall. And don't forget Twitch TV, Splinterlands TV. Go join up. It's a 24/7 video stream. They're not quite all the way open yet. They're still got gaps in it, but they save the videos. And all it is people like us who have YouTube channels that they've vetted to put on there and talk about Splinterlands. It's pretty cool. But there's the timestamp. But here it is. These SPS validators, uh, they're going to be in the thousands. I think the $1,000 plus 500. What do you call it? 500 of the vouchers, which is a lot. You only get vouchers right now. You got to buy them off the secondary market, or you get them through staked SPS. And so I'm just going to skip over that. You can go research that on your own. People who are into that already know all about it. It's just what it is. Ranked rewards is probably what's going to affect most of us. The bots, the farming rewards, multi-accounts, they are underlying issues. Especially, here's the problem. I'm different because I'm vested in the game and I'm used to getting my ass kicked. So I'm going to live with it. But it's hard for new players to really get beat up by bots all the time when they're trying to get started. Um, Once you get up to the higher levels, I no problem. I understand it's a part of the game, and you understand it better. But if you're trying to attract a new player, the last thing you want happening to them in their first, few months is getting the hell kicked out of them at any point, because that can discourage them, and they won't come back. And so I disagree with some things on the bots. I understand it's they got to do something about it, but I would really protect the newbies. Anybody coming in, I would make it as easy for them, as rewarding for them, and get their confidence built up before they understand that it's going to be tough because you're playing against 500,000 other people. Let them get their feet wet. Let them swim in the shallow end and not be attacked by sharks, I guess is what I'm trying to say. That's my opinion. I could be totally wrong about it. Uh, but it is very noticeable, especially at the beginning of the season, when you're playing bots because people just don't name their accounts XZ759721755. That's a bot. The people having multiple accounts, if they're playing it personally, that's fine. And bots can be helpful, if used right and regulated right. It's just, but like everything, it's always abused, you know. Um, the rewards, they're changing everything up so that people won't want to use bots. It'll be more rewarding not to use bots, and it will be more rewarding to just use one account. I only have one account. I'm overwhelmed with that. I'm a slow learner. So would I ever go to a multiple account? I don't know. I don't feel a need to. Um, I like just keeping it simple as possible. That's just me. Marketing updates. A lot of partnership discussions going on. But there's some big news. These are some pictures that I'm going to show you real quick. Let me see. Right here. First build of Splinterlands. The website launched May of 2018. It's only 3 years old. And they couldn't do much when it first started, right? But here's the boss. They're working on it. But here's what I want to show you. There's almost 700 people on Splinterlands TV, so go over there and sign up. And here's some eye candy. Some pretty good. That's the Bronze League background. Here's the new chest. Pretty cool looking. Got to admit, very good artwork. And these SPS validators ain't launching to the fourth quarter. But this is something huge. Oh, they're going to be down today from 11 to 2, by the way, April 19th. Google Ads approval. I didn't know they didn't have it approved to begin with. Finally been approved for Google Ads. That's huge. That's going to expose us to a lot of new players. A lot of new players. We'll be kicking ads off shortly. And yeah, so that's great. That is excellent news, the Google Ads, because that's a huge and it's expensive. So they're going to be they got a budget for that. New addition to Tome of Chaos, Touches of the Lord, that's coming out. And here's past AMA summaries. April 25th, 4 p.m. is the next one. So anyway, that's pretty much the quick rundown of it. Nothing earth-shattering except the Google Ads to me. Being a affiliate marketer, that's huge. That's huge news. So anyway, thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Please like and subscribe. Join the link below. I'm putting out a video every day, and let's see how far I get. We're going to have a complete record of what I did right or wrong over that year. And even if I don't get to 10,000, I get to 5,000 and I pay myself back, it's still a success. And maybe I do better, even though it doesn't look like it's possible right now. But I did start this at the absolute worst time in their 3-year history to do so. So if I'm making a profit at this point, I should be doing very well later on, especially if what happens, I think happens. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.